Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about LCM. LCM means least common multiple or we can say lowest common multiple. The LCM of two number is the smallest multiple of the numbers. Okay. So before starting LCM, first we need to understand the meaning of the term multiple. The multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number itself. So to understand this, let's take one example. Let's take one example, the number 4. We have to find out the multiples of 4. So we can obtain the multiples of a number by multiplying the number by the natural numbers or by 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 4. We have to find out the multiples of this. So we will multiply 4 by 1. 4 1 ja 4. So the first multiple is 4. Again 4 multiplied by 2. 4 2 ja 8. Then next 4 multiplied by 3. 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 5 and 4 multiplied by 6 and so on. So it is 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24. Let's write this 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. The multiples of a number will always be infinite. Okay. So now to understand this term of common multiple, we need to take another number. Let's take another number is 6. Now in the same way, we will find out the multiples of 6 also. For example, 6 multiplied by 1, 6. 6 multiplied by 2, 12. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. And so on. 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 5 and 6 multiplied by 6, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36 and so on. Now we will circle the common multiples of 4 and 6. So when we will see, the first one is 12. 12 is a common multiple of both the numbers 4 and 6. Now we will check for the another multiple. It is 24. You can see 24 is present in both the numbers. It is also a multiple of both the numbers. The next common multiple will be 36. If we will extend the multiples of 4 till 36, after 24 the next multiple will be 28, then 32, then 36 and so on. So the next common multiple will be 36. So the common multiples, I am writing CM for these, are 12, 24 and 36. And there are some more. Now we will check the lowest common multiple of both the numbers. As we can see from these three multiples, the lowest number is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12. Okay. Now the next thing is, we can find out the LCM by using two methods. Two methods we can use to find out this. First is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. And the second one is division method. Division method. So today in this video we will learn how to find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. Now we will learn how to find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. I have written one question here. Three numbers are given 12, 18 and 24. So first we will do the prime factorization of these numbers separately. We write like this: 12 here, then 18 here and 24 here. While finding out the LCM by prime factorization method, first we will do the prime factorization of each number separately. First number is 12. So we will always start with the lowest possible prime number. We can see that 12 is divisible by 2. So we will start with 2. 2 6 ja 12. Or when 12 is divided by 2, we get 6. Now 6 is divisible by again 2. 2 3s are 6 and last is 3 1s are 3. Okay. Next number 18 is again divisible by 2. We start with 2. 2 9s are 18. Then 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And then again 3 1s are 3. Now we will move to next number 24. 24 is also divisible by 2. We start from here. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 6 ja 12. Then again 2 3s are 6. And next is 3 1s are 3. We will do till we get 1 here. Okay. Now we will write these numbers as the product of their prime factors. Like 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. We can write 18 also. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now in the similar way we will write 24 also. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Now our next step is to check the maximum number of times a factor appears. Like 12, two factors are coming, 2 and 3. So we will check 2 is coming maximum number of 2 times here. Here only 1 time, and here 2 is coming 3 times. So we will underline this. Okay. Now we will check for the next factor. It is 3. 3 is coming in all these. But in the factor of 12, it is coming only 1 time. Here it is coming 2 times. So we will underline this. So our second step is to check the maximum number of time a factor appears. Now we will multiply this, and the product of these will be our required LCM. Okay, so the LCM will be, we will multiply 2 3 times. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Then again 3 is coming 2 times. It appears 2 times. So 3 multiplied by 3. Now we will multiply all these. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. And 24 3s are 72. So the LCM of 12, 18 and 24 will be 72. So now we will take another example. In this we have to find out the LCM of 30, 45 and 90. So the same step we will follow. First we will do the prime factorization of these numbers. 30, 45 and here 90. So 30, as we can see, it's 0 at the ones place. So this is divisible by 2. We will start from 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 will left. 3 minus 2 1. 2 5s are 10. Okay. 15 will come. Now 15 is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. And then by 5 itself. 5 1s are 5. The second number is 45. 45 as it is 5 at the ones place. So this number will be divisible by 5. We will start from 5. 5 nines are 45. Then 3. 3s are 9. And then again by 3. 3 ones are 3. Now we will move on to next number 90. 90. So again first we will start with the lowest possible number. And the lowest possible prime number is 2 because 90 is divisible by 2. We will divide 90 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 will left, 1 will be right here. It will become 10 and 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now 45. It is divisible by 5. 5 9s are 45. Then 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. And then again 3 1s are 3. So now we will write these numbers as the product of their prime factors. So first we will write for the 30. 30 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. And this 45, it will be equal to 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And this 90, in the similar way, we will write 90 also. It is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now after writing these, our next step is to check the maximum number of times a factor appears. So first we will start checking from 2. 2 here it is appearing only once. Here it's not appearing and here also once. So we will write 2 only one time. Now we will check for the 3. 3 is also appearing one time here. But here 3 is appearing 2 times. So the maximum number of times 3 appears is 2. We will underline this. Now we will check for the 5. Here 5 is appearing only one time. Here also 1 and here also 1. So we will write 5 only once. So now the LCM will be 2 is appearing only once. Maximum number of times. So 2 we will write only one time. Then multiplied by 3 is appearing. The maximum number of time is 2. So 3 multiplied by 3 and 5 only once multiplied by 5. Now we will multiply this. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are 90. So the LCM of 30, 45 and 90 will be 90. So I hope that now you understood how to find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.